let's safety check these guns. Okay, nothing in there, nothing in the magazine. It's clear. Safety check the Glock. Nothing in the magazine. Nothing in there. This is my everyday carry. Sometimes I only carry the Glock. Sometimes I'll carry only the 709 Slim. But sometimes I carry both, especially when I go to a poker game or feel like I need both on me. Bad situation, bad area. Most of the time I carry at least one knife. This is my gift that someone gave to me. Timberwolf. I like it. It's good size, feels good in the hand. It's light, very light. I haven't had it for long, but it's a good knife. This is my Kershaw. Okay, automatic. It's a great knife. Feels good in hand. Very light, easy to use, easy to deploy. Sometimes I'll carry an extra magazine when I carry my guns. This is the Glock 23, 40 caliber. Okay. Might not be great for a female, but some people really like the 40 caliber. I myself, I'm not picky, but the 709 Slim is a very, very slim gun compared to the Glock. Okay, look how much slimmer that gun is. Look at the difference. Here's your Glock. This is the PT-709 Slim from Taurus. Now if you just don't want to carry a wide, thick gun, just take the Taurus trigger. Not a big deal. When I go play cards though, like I said, I'll carry both guns just in case I need it. You never know when you're going to need it. You know? Alright guys, let me know what you think.